Hello everyone, welcome back to a third video on the topic of trigonometry where we are going to solve question number 6 to question number 10. Okay, so let's try to attempt this question and see how we can solve this, right? So it's saying find the value of trigonometric function in exercise 6 to 10, right? So we have to find what is the value of this sine 765 degree. So if I tell you that tell me what is the value of sine 0 degree, then you will immediately say it's 0. If I tell you that tell me the value of sine 30 degree, then immediately you will say it's 1 by 2. If I tell you that what is the value of sine 45 degree, then you will say it's 1 by root 2, right? But when I tell you that just give me the value of sine 765 degree, then you will confused and you will start thinking what will be the answer. So just to explain you, let me open the flow here. Yeah, so we have, look, this jalebi. So it starts from here, and now it complete 360 degree. Now it will complete 720, then so on, right? So suppose here it's 1040 degree. Okay, now we have question sine 765 degree. We have to find what is the value of sine 765 degree. So when we will start from here, then 360, 720 and 30, 40, 50, 60, 65. Suppose this is the 765 degree. So can we write this? Can we write this as a 720 plus 45, right? So we will write this like sine 720 plus 45 degree. Okay, okay. Second thing, this is x axis, x dash, y and y dash. So when we are taking any relation from x-axis, then this function will not change. If we will take from y, suppose we are taking this angle from y, then this sign will be changed in cos 45 degree. Okay, but in this situation, in this case, in this question, this function lies in first quadrant, and we are taking the relation from x, so it will not change. Third thing, this is first quadrant, right? This is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth. I have already explained this all system in last video, the second video on the trigonometric. I have also made a one short explaining all the functions. So I will highly recommend you to watch that video, then you will understand this topic better. So this is the first quadrant, and in this quadrant all the trigonometric functions like sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot is positive. Okay, so now we have to find what is the value of sine 45 degree. So here you can see sine 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2, right? So we can say it's 1 by root 2 answer. We will just forget this 720 degree, or it's maybe 1440 degree, whatever it is. So if we will just forget the value of this x and the revolution, right? We will only see the second part, sine 45 degree, that is 1 by root 2. I hope this is clear to you, and let me just quickly show you the answer here. Okay, so you see exercise 3.3, exercise 3.3, question number 6, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, that is answer here, that is answer. Yeah, 1 by root 2. Now the second question. Now we will start the second question. So here the important thing is to know, before we attempt the question, we must know about the what is the what is the sign of all trigonometric function in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So all six positive, sine, cosec positive, tan, cot positive and cos sec positive. Okay, and when we are taking any relation from this x-axis, suppose this angle, then this function will not change. If we are talking about this angle, then it will change. Suppose we have sine, and this is, suppose this is 90 degree, sine 90 degree minus 30. Okay, so this is 90 degree minus 30 means somewhere like this. Suppose this is the 60 degree, actual 60 degree. If we will remove 30 degree from this 90 degree, then we will get 60 degree, the same. Then theta this sine theta will be changed to cos 30 degree, right? But in this question, we are taking relation with x-axis, then this function will not change. Okay, let's attempt the question number 2 and try to solve this. Just a second. Yeah, so second question is cosec minus 1410, cosec minus 1410, cosec cosec minus 1410 degree. What is the value of this, right? Okay, I think I should clear this. Here all the value will be positive, right? So this is 1410. So 1 revolution equal to 360. It means 2 revolution equal to 720. It means 4 revolution 360 into 4 equal to 1440, right? So 1440 will be here, like 360, 720, and this is third. In fourth circle we will come on this point with 1440, and because this is in minus, because this is in negative, so we will go clockwise. Actually angles are make like this anti-clockwise, but in this case we will make anti-clockwise. So 1 2 3 then 4, and this is 1440, but we want 1140. Means before 1440 there will be a point, there will be an angle, that will be 1410, right? So we can say 1440 minus something is equal to 1410. So what is the difference? This difference is 30 degree, you see, 40 and 10. So we can say cosec 1440 minus 30 degree, right? We can write like this. Now we have to find what is the value of cosec 30 degree. So you see here, cosec is 1 by sine, right? Cosec is 1 by sine, and cosec 30 will be the value of 1 by sine 30. So sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 by sine 30 degree equal to 1 by 1 by 2, that is equal to 2. So the answer will be, so the answer is 2 here. I hope you understand this, and I will also show the answer here. You see this is 2, right? Now question number 8. I will only do the question number 8, and question number 9 and 2 I will request you that you should do with your own, so you will get to know how to solve this. And if you have any confusion, you can just let me know in the comment below, and I will try to solve it. Okay, right. So now 10 19 pi by 3. Okay, it means 19 by 3 into what is the value of pi? 180. It means this is 60. 60. So 19 5 ja, 4 5 6 5 6 6 5 11, and this will be 0. So we have 1140 degree, right? 40 degree. So we know 1140 degree. So we know here we have took 1140, right? Is it really 1140, or I'm making any mistake? So 19 6 7 4 में 5 6 5 11 and 0 1140 1140, yeah, that is 1140. So 1440 minus 1140 is equal to 0 0 300. So no, this will not the correct answer. 19 6 1140, we have 1440. So if we will take 360 into 3, then we will get 8 1 3 9 10. Okay, so here we have taken 4 revolution. Now this is time to take 3 revolution. Let me just clear this. Let me just clear this. Okay, see, this is 360, 720, and then again 160 degree, that is 720 plus 360, 0 8 10 1080, right? So this is 1080. Let me just clear this. So the question is saying what is the value of 10 19 pi by 3. So 19 pi by 3 equal to 1140. 1140, the value of 1140, 1140, 10 1140. So 1140 will be, this is 1080, and 1080 1140 minus 1080, that is 60 degree. So here it's a 1080. Now we will go further, and at 60 degree, at this 60 degree we will find 1140, right? So 10 1140 can be written as a 10 1080 plus 60 degree. So this is in first quadrant. So in first quadrant all the values are positive. So 10 60 degree, the value of 10 60 degree, 10 60 degree equal to sine 60 degree by cos 60 degree. So sine 60 degree means the third one, that is 1 by root 2, and cos 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2, I think. Root 60 degree, na? Let me just check. Yeah, sine 60 degree. Okay, here I will write just a second. Sine 0 0, and 30 is 1 by 2, 45 is 1 by root 2, and 60 degree equal to it will be 0 1 2 3 root 3 by 2. So sine 60 degree will be root 3 by 2 by cos will be 60 and 90 will be the 1, right? So cos will be 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2. So it will be 1 by 2. So equal to root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. 2 to cancel is root 3. So the answer is root 3. Let me just verify the answer for question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8. So question number 8, root 3. So I hope you understand this concept, and if you have any issue you can just let me know. Thank you so much, and we are completed this video. In next video we will start exercise 3.3. Happy learning.